Welcome to Homework Lib.
According to a CDC survey, 8% of patients acquired an infection after a surgical procedure. We pick 500 patients at random, so the probability each develops an infection will be 8%. We want the probability that between 30 and 50 inclusive develop an infection. So first of all, what distribution are we looking at here? Well, this is a binomial distribution. It meets all of the criteria. N independent trials, each member of our sample, 2 outcomes for each, they get an infection or they don't, same probability P that each does get an infection. With such a large number of trials, I wouldn't want to use the binomial directly, but since we get to use our calculators, we can just use the binomial distribution functions. The one I'm going to be using is binom CDF. It has 3 inputs, N, P, and X, where X is the number in the sample that meet the criteria. CDF is for the cumulative function, so less than or equal to. So I can't immediately put this in, but I can rewrite it as the probability X is 50 or fewer minus the probability X is 29 or fewer. If you think about which outcomes are included in these, it makes sense. Less than or equal to 50 is anything from 0 to 50. Anything from 0 to 29 here. So if I take these away, I am left with anything from 30 to 50. This is what we want. So using this function, put in 500, 0.08, and 50. Then I'll save that and do the same thing for 29 rather. Difference between them is my answer, 0.9174 to 4 decimal places.